Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to create a structural pipe rack in Aveva E3D. So let's start. For creating any structure member, we have to create site, then zone. I already create the site here and now I will create a new zone here. And here you right click and rename and give the name of your zone. And then we have to create structure, give the name, click on framework. Okay, so framework, you can give them any name as per your own drawing. So this is a basic criteria in Aveva E3D for creating any structure members. Now, before creating a member, we have to select here a class of your member. You can select primary, secondary, tertiary. This is totally as per your structural drawing. So I will select here column. After that, you have to select material and I will select this one. And then you can choose the justification of your members here and I will choose center top. And after that, you have to select your member standard profile. And here in Viva 3D, we have as built American, British, Canadian. I will choose a British one here. And then under British, you can select universal beam, columns, equal angle, anything. So I will choose universal beam and I will choose this one. For creating a member, we have to click on straight, click on the screen here, and you can see that the member shape is appearing here. And if you want to create horizontal east side, you have to give the east value. You want north value. If you want to is up, you have to give the up and down value. So here I want to create vertical member, so I will put east 0, then tab, north 0, tab, and now I will give the height of my member vertical 5500. We already create the member here, and now we will create another member of the rack. Simply click on home and copy offset, and you can see that my direction is minus x. I want to copy this side here, so I will give it minus 5000. Apply. Yes, we will cancel this one. So we create the columns of the structural pipe rack here. Now we will create another member here. So go to section here and now I will change the member. This one, click on straight and here I will select a midpoint of this one and midpoint of this one. So we created the horizontal member and again we will select this one, home, copy offside, and we want two tire pipe rack. So this is minus z, we will make it 0 and here we will give minus 1500. Apply. So we created another member here and now we will create a base plates for these members. For that, you select the member, click on sections, click on fitting, and I select here. And then in the specification, you have to click downward arrow, and I will select here base plate. And we have here base plates two type, rectangular and with stiffeners. And you have to select these things from your drawing. I select regular. When you click on regular, and we will find these fittings with the different thickness, 10 mm, 20 mm, 30. I will select 20 mm. Then you have to click on apply and then select the base point here, and we create the base plate here. Same way we will create here new fitting. Select this one, base plate, 20 mm and apply. And same thing we will here for bolting connection of these members. We will select this one, and here we will base plate this one, and we will 10 mm thick, apply. You can see that we create the bolter plate here, and now we will move this one down for welding. And same way we will do it here. Fittings, select the member, then click on specification, base plate. So now same way we will do it that side. Simply we can mirror this one also. Click on home, mirror. So we created the plates here, and now we will get the bracing. Again we have to change the member size here, and here I will click on RHS, and I will select this one, and click on straight here. We have to select the center point. Again we will put east 0, tab north 0, and minus 4 meter, and our RHS is created here. And now we will rotate this one to 45. And this rotation of your bracing totally depends on your structural engineering design. So I'm showing you here how we can rotate. Click on home, rotate, advance, and here you can see that south is my direction. I will click south. I will 45, and now we will trim these sections here. And first we will make this one from this edge to center of this one a meter. For that we will measure. It is We will put Q minus 800 or meter. Simply we can by east. With respect to word. And now we will trim this member. Click on section here, click on extend, select this point, enter, and now you have to click on extend, enter here. Now you have to select the face of this one. So I will select here this face and this face, and now we have to third one is vertical one. So I will select this one. You can see that we trim the member here. In this way you can trim any members in E3D. We will go home, mirror, so we mirror this one, and now we will copy this frame next side for rack continuation. Before this, we will create a civil foundation of this one here, and we have to create new zone. Then create new equipments, a new box, X length 400, Y length 400, and Z length 500. Simply we have to click this member, click on Q pose with respect to word, and you can see that we move the civil box here. Click measure here from this top to bottom of this one. It's 250. We will move this one 250. And we will make it center. Distance element and element, it is 250. Because we choose the justification top, that's why. Graphics measure is 11865. So we have to move this side 26.5. So same way we will copy this box towards west side. New box, copy previous Y west 5000 with respect to word here. And now we will copy this one. For that, we will use a list command here. So I will show you show CDC list, And here you have to give the name of the list. I will give any name here. Then click on subframework and click here C member. Type a command here, new Zensec, copy previous by north side, and it is, I will give again 5 meter with respect to word. Action, you can see that we created here, and same way we can do here, new box, copy previous y north 5 meter with respect to word, and same way here. So now we will create a time member here in between. So we have to click on section, and here I will choose UV this one, and straight. Again I will select mid of this one, and mid of this one. So we will move down this one by 2 meter. We mistakenly select the box. We have to click on this member, move it down by 2 meter. So again we will create a bracing for this one. For I will select here again RHS straight, and I will select here the midpoint here, east 0 tab, north 0 tab, and Z is minus 3500. We have to rotate this one, and for that we have to click on home, rotate, advance, click on C. Now we have to make it on the center of this one. Before we have to move. Again we will rotate this one 45. So now we have to trim this portion section, then click on extend, select this one, enter, and we want this flat from the bottom. You have to select this one, and this way. We already trimmed this one here. And now we will bring it down here, this endpoint. How we can do that? Click here, click spline and check which is the, we'll check access at C. So this is D2. I will type by D200 with respect to word. You can move it down. This dimension you will get from your drawing. So I'm showing you how you can move the bracing members. Let's say you want to move it this one to south side again here by south with respect to word, and we will mirror this one now. Click on home, mirror, mirror, select this one, enter, then midpoint of this one, and now we will mirror this side, or you can simply copy here. Click on copy offset. We will make it 0 here, and this is minus 5 meter. Same way here. Same way we will copy offset this one. And now our basic pipe rack geometry is created, and now we can move n number of tires as per our own requirement here. Click here on our reporting here, list and collections. So what we will do here, now we will remove all. Click add, identified. Now we want these members to be copied. Then escape. And here you can add the stiffener also. I will show you how you can add the stiffeners. Click on section, click on fittings, select the member here. Again, click on specification here, go down and select stiffeners. And here you select, if you want both side stiffeners, you have to click on web full double, or if you want single side, then single side. I will select double. And here is thickness of the stiffeners available, 10, 12, 15. I will select 10, apply, and I will select this one. And we will move the stiffeners in the center. In this way, you can create any stiffeners here. You can bring it to the center of this. So it is 193 here. Same way you can copy one here in the center, another one. We done something wrong here. In this way you can create the stiffener also. So here now we will make a 5 meter distance here. So we will click on action. Now we will give 10 meter here. Now we will give 15. So in this way you can now choose 0 to 5. So you can make as long as it is as per your drawing when you get the basic framing. And same thing here we will do with this columns here. Sorry, civil foundation here. We will remove all. Click on identification here. This one, escape, and here we will type here new equipment, copy previous, or you can do very easy one here. Select this box, click on home offset here, and my direction is towards Y, and here I will give number of 4, and my distance is of 5 meter. Apply. We have to make it 0 and give this distance 5 meter. Apply, retain yes, and you can see that we get here. Same way we will select this one. You will click on C and number of copies 5. Apply. So in this way we can will new box copy previous by not 5 meter with respect to word. So in this way we can create a pipe rack or any structure member in Aveva 3D. Hope you understood how we can create, modify a structure member in Aveva 3D. If you have any comment related to this one, please comment in the comment box.